Hello everybody, welcome back. And yeah, today continues my little Disc-Detainer lock series with this still boxed lock from Nikkei. Well, Nikkei Germany. Yeah, I bought this on a flea market, I think. Yeah, it was rather cheap, so my expectations are really not high. It's of course made in China, but it is a high quality padlock with maximum security. Okay, we will see about that. At least it was designed and tested by Nikkei in Germany, but it was made in China. So we will see what it can do. Of course, the challenge here is to pick it right out of the box. So I will not cut away here, so of course I can just throw away the video if it doesn't work out, but let's see what this lock has in stock. And we can see it has at least ball bearings, so that is nice, but typically these locks have that, yeah. So let's get it in a vise and then hopefully we can pick it together. Let's see if everything can rotate freely. Okay, maybe I should free up the shackle. Or let's do it like this. Let's clamp it at the shackle. And I'll just turn this down a bit so you can see the picking tool in action. Okay. So all locked up again, and let's focus here for the moment. Turn all discs as far clockwise as they will go, and then we get the picking tool. Okay, and now I don't know which disc I'm tensioning off, so just pull it out. And now I'm just spinning freely, so I have to go in just a tiny bit. And now I should be just tensioning off the first disc. And let's see if this works out for me. So tensioning it like this. Let me zoom a bit more towards the discs. Or the tool. Oh, so I just slipped off. Let me put this in a bit further. And now we can start picking. Okay. Yeah, with these tools, with these locks, you never know what a gate feels like. I highly doubt there are false gates, but you never know. I don't even know if there's a zero cut in the front or so. Okay, that feels like a gate maybe. But we'll see how this goes. Okay. Oh boy, that also feels horrible. Okay, so I was already at the back of the lock. Okay. Let's check if this was not in the gate. Oh man. Is this just jump anywhere? It feels like. Okay, let's leave it here. Where's this disc gone? Okay. Let's try. Maybe we are not on a zero cut in the front. Let's try that one more time. No, it feels strange, but it definitely is not in the gate anymore. Okay. Let's leave that one here. Just wiggling through there. Yeah, here it's definitely not in a gate. Okay. Let's go back to the lock. Okay, interesting. Come on. Okay, maybe I was in too deep. Yeah, I think that was it. So it's not tensioning off the very first disc, but the first two. And then I just touched the real second disc and it opened. So yeah, if you set up your tool right, this is a rather quick job. If not, it takes a bit more time. Anyhow, still happy that I got it open without trying off camera first, and yeah. Hope you liked this video. If so, please subscribe if you have not already. And yeah, anyhow, I hope to see you in the next video and wish you a great day. Bye!